Hello everyone, my name is Sean Moore. I'm a Principal Cloud Network Architect on the North America Shared Security and Network Services team. Let's discuss when and how to use stateless security rules for your OCI cloud architecture. Security rules have two flavors, stateful and stateless. Stateful rules are the default. It provides a connection track session between the source and destination IP address. And this allows for ease of management and greater visibility of data flows between source and destination. Stateless rules do not keep track of TCP session state between the source and destination, and this allows for greater performance and scalability. Stateless rules are recommended for use cases such as an internet-facing website that experiences high volume of traffic, or OCI's network firewall that's able to perform a deeper stateful packet inspection. When creating a stateless rule, you'll need to create an ingress rule and a corresponding egress rule that allows the destination host to respond back to the source host using the same TCP port. So here we checkmark the stateless rule. We enter in our source CIDR range. We pick our IP protocol and we paste in a destination port. In this case, we're going to use SQL, and I'll put a description here. Add ingress rules. Now let's go over to our egress rules. And we'll create a corresponding rule that will match the rule we just created for the ingress. So here's an existing rule for a stateless one that I created earlier. Let's create a new rule here. Check stateless, specify the destination address, the same IP protocol, but this time, specify the source port the OCI resource needs to respond from. Let's enter in a description, and then we'll add our egress rule. Stateful sessions are performance limited by each VNIC's connection tracking table. Let's take a look at a running VNIC on an OCI instance. VNICs attached to OCI instances provide many metrics related to networking, such as connection tracking metrics. The connection tracking utilization metric shows how many concurrent TCP port sessions are open on the VNIC. Here we can see that 80% utilization was reached at different intervals throughout the day. The connection tracking table full metric to the right shows whether or not the VNIC's connection tracking table is full. There are two additional metrics that shows if ingress or egress packets are being dropped due to a full connection tracking table. The size of a VNIC's connection tracking table varies by instance size. You can monitor VNIC connection tracking metrics by creating alarms based on threshold requirements. When creating an alarm, provide a descriptive name, and you'll also need to provide a metric description. So connection tracking metrics are located under the OCI VCN metric namespace. And in the metric name dropdown, you'll find the VNIC connection tracking metrics. From there, complete the rest of your threshold requirements. Then you can define the destination service for your alarm notification towards the bottom. You have the option to receive those alarms via email, SMS, and many more methods. To learn more about security rules and best practices, please visit our website at oci.com.